Hello my YouTube channel followers and viewers. Today I want to show you how to convert image to PDF file. I have an image file named PDF. I will convert this file to PDF today. I will open the image so you can see what it looks like before it is converted to PDF. When you open an image, you have the print action available. Click on the print action and a print window will open. Various options are available in the print window. The main option that needs to be specified is printer. Under Printer, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Other options are also available, such as page size, orientation, image size, and more. I'll leave the other options at default for now. Once the printer option is set to Microsoft Print to PDF, you can press the Print button. After pressing the Print button, you will be asked to specify a file name. I will now specify the file name as PDF file. And then you need to press the Save button to save the file. Next, I will show you that the PDF file was actually saved and the image was successfully converted to PDF. As you can see, there is a file called PDF file in the folder that I saved earlier. I will open this file and show you. The image has been successfully converted to PDF. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press like.